Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I want to show you guys how you can jumpstart a car that has a dead battery. First, we need a pair of jumper cables and we need two cars, the donor car and the car that has a dead battery. And here's the car that has a dead battery. Now this is negative terminal of a battery and this is the positive terminal of a battery, and here's the chassis of this car which has a dead battery, which is also the body of the vehicle. Now this is the car which has a good battery and which is the donor vehicle that I'm going to use to jumpstart the other vehicle that has a dead battery. And here is the negative terminal of this car. Identify with minus. Here is the negative terminal of this battery, and here is the positive terminal of this donor of this battery, which is the donor vehicle. So now I'm going to connect my jumper wire to this vehicle. So first I take the red cable of the jumper wire and connect one end to the dead battery positive terminal. Then the other end of the jumper wire, I'm going to connect the other end of the red cable jumper wire to the good battery positive terminal, which is the plus. I'm going to connect it to the plus, and here that is it. I'm going to connect it to the plus. Now I'm going to take the black cable of the jumper wire and connect to one end to the good battery negative terminal, and this is it, which is the minus. You can identify it with the minus. Now finally, the other end of the black cable, I will connect it to the chassis. That is the metal part of the dead car chassis, the body of the vehicle. Now I'm going to start, which I have started this car that has a good battery, and I'm going to let it to idle for about a minute to 5 minutes. Then after that, I will go to the car that has a dead battery to start it. So this is the car that has a dead battery, and let me start the car that has a dead battery. Okay, now it has started. So I'm going to let it idle for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or rather take it for a short drive. And also in reverse order, I'm going to remove the jumper wire which I placed on both batteries. So this is how you can jumpstart your vehicle that has a dead battery. If you find this video very helpful, please like, please comment, and please subscribe for more auto tips. Thanks so much for watching.